Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2020 Ranger XL in Shadow Black. It has black cloth interior, seating for 4, and it has 4 doors, 2 regular, 2 smaller, and a 6-foot box. A 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, and it's a 4x4. It also has a reverse camera system, a rear sliding window, as well as a trailer tow package. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks and windows. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the high mount light in the rear is there. The steering wheel can tilt, and on the face of the steering wheel you have your dash controls, media control, volume, and hands-free dialing. When we start up our vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, as well as the menu that we can toggle through. So we're just going to get in there. Trip 1, Trip 2, Fuel Economy, Driver Assist, Settings, and these all have submenus. In the center you have a little cubby and your radio and media choices, AM, FM. You also have Bluetooth, and then you have your volume and tuner. Hazard lights. Climate control is just below here. You've got your AC, max AC, as well as your front and rear defrost. And below you have 12 volts and USB, as well as auxiliary line in. And then auto stop start for less idle time, tow haul, and traction control. There's your 4x4. You have an automatic select shifter. Right beside the driver is your emergency parking brake, couple of cup holders. Your armrest opens up and there's lots of storage in there. You also have a glove compartment off to the side. Up above, auto dimming, rear view mirror, and you also have your lighting controls. And when we put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view, and you're seeing that right there, so it's right in your line of sight. And on the side of the body, you have a grab handle for the passenger, making it easier to get in. 17-inch aluminum painted wheel, mud guards, black door handle and side view mirror, driver's side capless easy fuel gas filler. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. And just below the Ford badge is your backup camera. They also have a 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open up that tailgate, simply put your hand in the latch. You've got a nice drop-in line box, tie downs in all 4 corners. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away. Or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, and you have seating for 2 in the back. And I just wanted to show you, I've taken one of the seats off, and there's this nice little bin, so you can unlock it. You've got storage underneath. On the other side is where your jack's located, and then you just close it like that. There's a picture on the back of the seat telling you how to do it, and it's got these clips. So you just slide it back in and hook up the clips, and then press down and it clips into place. And when you're releasing the seat, you just have this tab and you pull that. On the floor you've got carpeted mats, and it also comes with all-weather mats. On the back of the seat there's slim pockets for extra storage. Up above you have hooks and lighting, and in the back you have access to a manually sliding window, as well as rear defrost. Black bumper, mud flaps, 6-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, halogen headlights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.